November 28th, 9:22 a.m.
Spacecraft to internal power. Engine start. Ignition. Liftoff.
The spacecraft would have to be placed on a precise trajectory.
The Mariner 4 trajectory will be approximately an elliptical orbit about the Sun.
April 19th, 58 million miles from Earth. Mariner surpassed the communication record established during the Venus mission. Then, July 14th, Encounter Day.
The spacecraft is flying toward Mars, about to pass within 6,000 miles of its surface, and then out into space. One pass, a single chance for everything to work.
Exactly where they wanted it.
Exactly where they wanted it.
Good.
For 8 hours and 35 minutes, the figures cascade to the Earth from the spacecraft. 240,000 bits of binary code, representing the shading of 40,000 dots that will finally make up the first picture. A complex system of computers is required to convert these numbers into pictures, but some workers decide to hand-make their own picture of Mars by shading the numbers.
There's Mars, there's what the shades of gray.
One of the most remarkable scientific photographs of this age. Picture number 11 shows craters 3 to 75 miles across and several thousand feet deep. The picture suggests that Mars has never had an ocean or substantial atmosphere. The Mariner 4 pictures neither demonstrate nor preclude the possible existence of life on Mars.
Beautiful picture. Oh, that's grand.
I think I speak for every American when I tell you how very proud and how impressed, how grateful we are for what you and all of the many members of your team have accomplished on the Mariner 4 mission.
A picture of Mars. Well, you asked for it. It's history, boys. It's history.